Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that how to fix Apex Legend unable to join lobby error. So guys, this error happens because of the two reasons. First reason is your corrupted game files and second reason is your game is not updated. So first go to the Steam library. I have not the game but I will show you the solution. Click on the Apex Legend game, click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now go to the updates option you are seeing on the second, and now here if you have any available update for your Apex Legend game showing here, then you can simply click on the update to update your game. Once your game was updated, you can simply restart your PC, launch the game, and your problem will be fixed. And if your problem is not fixed, the second solution is you can go to the properties again, go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. If there is any corrupted files in your game, this built-in function can fix them automatically. Then you just need to restart your Steam, launch the game, and I hope this fixes your issue. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.